What's up? Today we are making horrible financial decisions, guys, but beautiful builds. This is the RTR Lite, a $2,000 budget-friendly electric mini bike. I bought it. I'm going to put $3,000 worth of visual and performance upgrades into this bike to make it a $5,000 mini electric bike. The absolute absurdity in it. We're going to nearly triple the power going into this bad boy, guys. Stay tuned.
Tearing down the frame of the RTR Lite was incredibly straightforward. The only hard part was the ignition, and you press one side in of the clip up underneath there. It's pretty hard to get my big hands in there. A screwdriver on the other side pressed in, pressed up, came out no problem.
So this is the ETM RTR 2025 edition by Electro and Co. This bad boy is a $2,000 budget electric motorcycle. It's got a 5,000 watt peak, 60 volt, 20 amp hour battery, and it tops out at 45 miles per hour. Now, I like it. I love it. I want some more of it, and that's exactly why I'm upgrading this bad boy. We are not only doing the visual upgrades you're seeing right now, and we're going to go over those in detail in just a moment, we're also going to be putting the Trumoto 6+7 kit in there, along with the Dead Revolver Alpha motor, which is meant to handle more just abuse. And I'm a big guy, so I want something that can handle that, and it's also a bit quieter, so I'm all about that. I already have the 72 volt mod pack battery that already came in. I'm just waiting on the next thing either this week or next week when it does finally ship. But we are looking at nearly tripling the power on this ETM RTR. Guys, that's insanity. With out-of-the-box upgrades from the company that makes the bike, it is going to be plug and play, that simple. Now, frame, piglet pink, beautiful. That was $550 right there alone. Then we got the vintage matte gray spray paint. Hit the plastics with all of that. I might take it off, do another coat. Haven't decided yet. We're going to figure out where we're going with there. I did leave the wheels black, just didn't want to overdo it. We have the Pro Taper handlebar grips on there. Now, I will say, this side I had to scrape down the plastic a little bit. I mean, it was a sanding pad. It wasn't hard, just a slight sanding pad. And then it fit on there, no problem with a heat gun. Just had to excite it a little bit. We have the Guts gray striped seats cover coming this Saturday. So beyond that, the visual upgrades are going to be entirely done. I have not decided. Please let me know in the comments. Should I go for the big wheel set, the 1417? I think it would add a lot more stability and control. I just don't know if we need to push it to that point, but I think it would be nice to have an extra inch or two in height. So just, let me know what you like about this, what you don't. I mean, this is honestly going to be a love it or hate it type of thing. You either love this color combo or you fucking hate it, and that's fine. I really enjoy this thing. I think it makes it look unique. It pops. It's not the usual fire truck fucking red like everyone gets. It's nice. And it's not so overly pink that it's super duper girly. I really enjoy it. I'm a big guy when it comes to pink. I just don't want everything to be pink. So we did go a little bit laxed with this back frame. The subframe is going to be gray to kind of line up to the panels a bit more. Straight painted this gray. All the extra covers and bits are gray. I haven't put the controller stuff back on just yet because I am going to get a plate from Electro and Co to cover that, so I'm going to have to spray paint that. But beyond that, we are done with the just absolute glow up. I mean, look at this thing, dude. This doesn't look like an RTR Lite anymore. But I know that when I add that Dead Revolver Alpha motor, it will be truthfully in a class of its own. At the height it's at the wheelbase length it's at, I mean, exceptional. You can get all of this from Electro and Co. My link in the description, or just use code SPARK5. That will get you 5% off anything from their website. And it always helps the channel out at no extra cost to you. If you guys are liking these videos, these build videos, along with my rides and my reviews and stuff, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. I would really appreciate that. Thank you. I hope you have an excellent day.